are you guys? Dinner ka na? I haven't eaten dinner. I ate merienda though. I ate fries and milk tea.
I don't give a damn 'cause it don't make a difference. I can't get mad.
Graduate na si Chelsea! Congratulations! Okinawa. I love Okinawa. Okinawa is my go-to flavor ng milk tea. Ano gawa mo today? Today is rest day, so whenever my rest day, guys, I play golf. That's what I've been doing this past few days. Guys, super addict ako sa golf. I swear. I'm so addicted. May sport na ako, guys. May sport. May sport na ako. I found it. I found the sport that is for me. And I've never been so calm. Like, whenever I play golf, it's just like kalmado lang.
Complexity.
Hi. Ano pang dapat namin abangan sa bagong endorsement? Oh, may bago kaming endorsement? Talaga? Parang hindi pa ata na-announce. Guys, may bago kaming song soon. Mahirap guys ang golf. It's a very technical. Hindi naman siya mahirap to, pero kasi ako talagang kailangan mo ma-addict. And na-addict talaga ako, and it's a very technical sport, and which is bagay sa akin kasi yun nga, it's a technical sport, so feeling ko mas bagay siya sa akin kasi sa masyadong physical, you know. This is NCAT Kuromi. You slayed sa bench. Thank you! Oh my God, guys. Imagine if naging endorser din kami ng bench. That would be... Kasi dati we just watch. And now, naglakad kami. You know, step by the step talaga. How are you? I'm doing great. I am... Never been this calm. I am... calm. Yeah, in general, you know, better mindset. Uy, yung showtime namin, guys, sorry Sorry, as in, kinalmahan ko lang talaga. As in, kalmado lang ako dun. Naiya kasi ako I mean, I know, it wasn't me. More blessings to come. Kayo din, more blessings din sa inyo. Kasi deserve niyo yan. You work so hard for what you guys have. And we all work hard for what we want to have. So, I hope you all win in this life. Tumabi ka dyan! Sana magustuhan niya yung susunod na kanta na i-release namin. Wala pa akong pwedeng sabihin so much, pero sana magustuhan niyo talaga. He22 concert when? That time will come, guys. That time will come. Let's not rush things. And if hindi man pa ibigay sa atin ngayon, baka may rason kung bakit. Let's just be patient and let's enjoy what we currently have, and let's try our best to alam niyo na, natin yung best natin kung ano yung merong current tayong meron. Ganun. Pero syempre, di ba, ang goal talaga namin this year ay talagang makapag yung discography namin ay mas lumawak pa talaga. So we are really working hard sa pagsusulat, guys, dahil ang mga kanta po namin ay sobrang kami, very us. Kumbaga, kami nagsulat lahat, kami tatlo. So it really takes time. You just, so thank you for being patient. Thank you, guys. Thank you din po sa mga pumunta sa Pure Gold namin sa Enchanted Kingdom. Maraming salamat po. Marami pa pong concert with Pure Gold. Syempre, alam niyo naman po, si Fairy Gold Mother ay talagang napaka-generous at napaka-talagang supportive sa P-pop community. And hindi lang sa P-pop community, but sa OPM community in general. So, diba? Marami pong salamat. And sa mga nanood po ng MRLD concert, so thank you. So thank you. Anong pakiramdam na sinayawan kita noong April 25? Ay, talaga pong isang karangalan talaga. Oo, napakagaling mo. At hindi ko makakalimutan. How about genre? Pwede mo ba kami bigyan ng idea sa genre ng new song? Alam nyo, hindi ko ma-pinpoint kung anong klaseng genre yung next song. Kasi, ano siya sobrang, di naman sobra, pero it's a very experimental song. What I felt, yun yung, basta, I can't really say much, pero, sana magustuhan nyo talaga. TV promo naman sana. Well, kung tayo po ay mabibigyan ng chance, sana. Pero, hindi tayo pwede mag-spoil. Pero, definitely, meron yan. May bagong posting si Maybelline, everyone. Di ako nakapagpapik kay Mami Oni. Kailangan na kasi namin umalis, guys, kasi may work pa kami after. Napakinggan mo na po ba yung Duke? Of course! Guys, gustong-gusto ko gawin yung Kim Son Ho ba na trend na yan. Pero sobrang nakikringe ako sa sarili ko. Hindi siya bagay sa akin. I swear. Guys, pinakita, kasi meron ako, guys, I have a draft of me doing that. I showed it to Jazz. Sabi niya, wag mo i-post. Sabi niya, wag mo na i-post. Guys, sobrang cringe. I swear. Sobrang cringe. I'm not gonna post that. I'm never gonna post that. I'm never, ever gonna post that. I swear. It's gonna take a lot of kasi pati si Jazz na cringe sobrang na cringe din siya kasi it's out of character for me to do that. Gets nyo ba? Guys, hindi ako nagaganon. It's so out of character, kaya mas cringe. Baka di naman siguro. Promise, it's so cringe. I swear. Ayoko talaga. Hindi talaga. Sobrang thank you, ate. Ikaw yung reason na parang mas lumalakas loob ko dahil sa mga, diba? Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Are we getting closer na ba sa album? Warm. We'll see. Nasa high honors ako. Congrats! Hello, Indonesian Bullet! May new song kayo with Maybelline? I can't prank call, guys. It's a rest day, eh. I don't wanna disturb anyone. Teaser is out! Everyone, teaser is out. Pag nag-podcast kaming tatlo, puro We are so unhinged. Oh my gosh. Anong kind sa street food ang gusto mo? I like... Anong tawag dun? Kaysa anong tawag yung sa mahaba na brown? Kikiam! Also dugo. I love Betamax. Kikiam and Betamax. Ba't ang fresh mo? Anong sikreto mo? Stress. Yes. Stress makes me fresh. Charot. Actually, meron akong hinahabol na deadline ngayon, pero nag-live ako. Ang galing ko, di ba? Sobrang galing ko talaga. Ang galing ko mag-prioritize ng mga bagay-bagay. Eh, kayo yung priority ko. Yeah. Favorite Filipino dish? Definitely sinigang, ginataang alimasag at kalabasa, dinuguan. And caldereta. And giniling. It's hot, but you're hot. Wow. Comfort food. Milk tea. Or fries. Are you still a student? No, I put it on pause. So I'm a paused student. I'm technically but I paused it, so I'm a paused student. I don't know. T, miss you. Miss you too. Favorite song? As of the moment, it would be Slow Down by Lil Wei. Slow down. This one. What? Why am I not? Wait lang, guys. Give me a moment. Current favorite song, Slow Down talaga. Kasi it really calms me down. I don't know. Nakakakalma siya eh. Ngayon, kailangan ko ng mga ganong klaseng kanta. So easy to be in the moment that you really forget to slow down, you know? Slow down. Just a moment. I'm so cold now. Cooking my own dinner, spaghetti for one. Though I'm getting older, my life has just begun. I wish it would slow down, even for a second. I'm so old. Ay, hi Kuya Popoy. Nanood si Kuya Popoy. OG Bullet. Think I found somebody, but don't think that it's love. I wish it would slow down. Slow. Sino bias mo sa SB19? Si ano po, si Yasmin, si Queen Yasmin. Galing niya sa dungka. Si Queen Yasmin talaga yung bias ko eh. Talaga namang footworks. Tsaka si Jaya. May photo niyo rin po ba yung card sa Pure Gold? I'm not sure. Go ask niyo si Gold Mother, guys. Baby, slow down. Slow down. Slow. Currently I don't stand in line, I don't pay for clubs, fuck that, yeah. But I'm always for you. I don't like to drink, I don't like to think, fuck that, ooh. But upon you, oh, then kumain ka na? Not yet, merienda pa lang. I'm so in love, so in love. There's no one above, up above. Forever is a long time, yes, above. My blue jeans, my last beyond. Kapag bumili po ako 5K, kasama ka po ba sa freebie? Why not? Grabe lakas ng ulan guys today. Sana talagang nakapag di kayo inulan. Magiging ruler ako sa'yo, AJ. May ruler naman na nababali. May ruler naman na may ruler na pwedeng baliin tapos babalik ko sa favorite milk tea flavor, ano, Okinawa milk tea. I don't do pearls na eh. High school. Do you drink coffee? I don't drink coffee. I can't drink coffee. I'll try my best. What if? Why no pearls? Nakakatamad mag-chew. So chewy. My blue jeans. Na-acid ako din. And I have... Anyway. Ano favorite food mo? Of all time? Ang hirap naman. OPM songs, favorite ko. Dami kasi akong favorite eh. Ito na lang. If you guys know this. Tingnan na ilaw. It's favorite song. This is like Kilig by Army Miller, The Sound. Smile ka pang IG story ko lang. Diba? Sobrang vibe. Comfort food, French fries. Sopas. Favorite dessert? Favorite dessert, definitely black velvet. At saka ice cream. Ice cream, guys, I swear. Tsaka black velvet cake. Yun lang. I don't eat any cake. Just black velvet cake. And brownies. Brownies. Oh. Gusto ko yung, alam mo yung brownies na crispy sa labas and then it's very, very soft sa loob. Tapos medyo, ano pa siya, yung, basta, lumipad, wala nang bababa, lumipad. Parang bet ko ngayon mag-ano. Tsaka, guys, have you heard about Huwag Kang Matakot? Yung version ni Reese lang sa akin. Should listen to this. It's really, really good. This one. Oh. Ito. Ba't ganun? Iba nag-play. Ito, guys. So good. This is so good. I've I've been listening to recent Sangat for a very, very long time now, and this is one of my favorites. It's so comforting. Tingnan.
Huwag kang matakot, di mo ba alam, nandito lang ako sa iyong tabi, di kita papabayaan kailanman. At kung ikaw ay mahulog sa bangin,
Oh my gosh, that would be nice. Imagine ice cream and late night walks. I haven't done that, pero that would be one of my sana magawa ko. Kaso, I'm scared to walk alone, guys. Ang daming mga nababalitang ano.
Kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot.
If nasa Cavite ako, kahit sa subdivision namin, I'd do that. Pero kasi, Cavite din is a very, very scary place. Anywhere, actually, is a very, very scary place. One time, I needed to really like breathe and like I need air. I went to BGC and then I just sat on a place there just to breathe. Breathing is good, pero guys, nilalamok ako. Kinakagat ako ng lamok, so kamot ako ng kamot, so umalis na lang ako. Anyway, sobrang nakakatawa. Gusto ko lang naman magmuni-muni, pero nilalamok ako. Kaya yun. That's Huwag Kang Matakot by Reese Lansangan. Pasa. Guys, pasain ako. Alam niyo naman yan. And, you know, training. And then, meron pa akong times na guwabangga ako kahit saan. Hindi ko alam bakit. Ganoon akong tao. I don't know why. Wala spatial awareness. Kainis. Hi, Nalen. Oh, birthday to ni Nalen, guys. Happy birthday, Nalen. Sana mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Period. Oh, subukan niyo namang tumayo at baka matanaw ninyo. Kaibo na nakaupo sa ng mataas na poder, pinapaligiran at nakapilang mga mamahaling sasakyan, mga patay na laging bulong ng bulong, wala na makasa pero marami ang nakabaro. Guys, I'm gonna end the live 9:30 kasi meron akong hinahabol na deadline and hindi ko alam bakit ako nag-live pero kasi gusto ko kayo makita. Pero promise, mag-pizza kami. Anong flavor? Pizza. Guys, what I like sa pizza. Quattro. I like quattro. I also like yung normal lang, 4 cheese and pepperoni. I don't want masyadong madami nangyayari sa pizza. Muntika na po kung gamitin ang G22 for my current thesis about P-pop. Oh, why didn't you use us? Wow. Mag-training ako ng martial arts bukas ng umaga, mga 4 hours. Slay! Kasi I'll also train tomorrow, golf naman. Kamukha ko si Girl, di ko kamukha si Bay Suzy. Nakakahiya kay Bay Suzy. Can you wink? Yung ganon-ganon. Sobrang cringe. Pag ginawa ako. Cute sa iba, sa akin hindi. Kang masyadong halata. San Ang matama ay huwag magalit. Yes. Maybe. When ka po nahilig maglaro ng golf? Honestly, matagal ko nang gusto talaga matuto maglaro ng golf, pero I didn't have the time. Pero I went with my ate, I went with my cousin, and then dun, nagsimula na ako dun. Weekly, I train. Actually, this week, 3 beses ako mag-golf. And then, I go with my friends, and they teach me, and then I learn through a coach. And yeah, just a continuous learning process. And I still have a long way to go, pero I'm getting my form right. I got clubs. Oh my gosh, guys. I need to work harder. I swear. I need to work harder. I ordered a set, guys. Brand new. So, sana po marami kaming work. Nag-invest na ako, guys, sa clubs. I swear. And then, now, my goal is to, like, sana makapag-compete ako sa golf. And yeah, kasi also my tito, my tita, like their family, they play golf. And I saw na it's a very technical sport, and ako kasi, I can't really do physical, like masyadong ma-physical sport like volleyball, badminton. I can do it, pero like to make it a habit na I would really do it, it's mas mas golf talaga for me, kasi it's like like my sport is chess. And I kind of like I nakakahiya sa isa chess. Pero ayun, and I feel like kasi it's a technical sport, it's good for me, it's good for being calm. I don't know, yun ang nagustuhan ko kaya ako na-addict sa golf, kasi parang I feel calm whenever I do it, and it's very technical, and basta, ewan ko, golf and I just clicked. I don't know. Musta life being OA AJ? Well, medyo nababawasan ng ka-OA-OAyan ko. I don't know why. Maybe I'm getting older. Pero OA pa din naman siguro ako. Ewan ko. I don't know. Tara, takbo Vermosa. Oh! You know about Vermosa. I love running there. So peaceful. Favorite snack? French fries. AJ, serious question. Tao ka ba? Yes po, tao po ako. Tumatae po ako, umiihi po ako, umuutot po ako. At minsan po, hindi okay. Minsan hindi okay yung mood ko. Tao po tayo lahat. Oo. Wala pong perfect. Nai-insecure din po talaga ako. Actually, insecure ako. In some ways. Minsan masama ugali ko. Wow. Hindi po tayo one-dimensional. Minsan po mataray ako. Pero mabait. Wow. Ano yung meme na yun? Kahit panuhin mo mabuti, bakit ganun pa rin? Di maiwasan ang magkawali, kahit anong gawin. Kadalasan ng nangyayari ay ang kabaliktaran. Marami kang detalye. What's your favorite song to sing? From our songs? If from our songs, Loka. Ewan ko, I have a deep thing with Loka. Do you still plan to have microbanks? Bro, no. No. Though sometimes I think about it. Pero, nah, bro, nah. I swear. That altered my brain chemistry. I'll never do that again. Yes. Yun po yun. Yung OST ng Shake, Rattle, and Roll sa episode nila, Esnir. Are you proud of having G22 in your life? Of course! Of course, why wouldn't I be? I mean, if there's one thing that I'm so proud of, it would be G22. That's top one. Nothing else. Meron namang else, pero if ever, kung ano man yung pinaka-proud ako sa decision ko and sa kung anong path yung tinake ko and what opportunity na ibigay sa akin, it will definitely be G22. And I would never trade anything. I would, for that experience and that opportunity, I swear. Even sa next life ko, if I'm given a chance to be G22, I would be G22 again. Serena, kahit anong sabihin nila. Ano tawag sa mga in-endorse nyo like Pure Gold? Sa NCAT, we call NCAT Fairy God Pusa. Pure Gold, we call Pure Gold Fairy Gold Mother. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say the next one. Basta soon. I'm not sure. Hindi pa na-release eh. Pero it's obvious. Pero officially. Naglalaro garter at piko. Kung pulang-pula sa pagod kang na sinapa. Have you watched When Life Gives You Thunder? No, I haven't. I don't want to yet. I feel like it will alter my brain chemistry. Hindi pa ako ready umiyak, guys. Pero soon I'll watch it. Wala pa akong yung to really watch it. Sabihin nila ubod ng ganda ko'y isang Serena. Ang laman, tubig ang sinisisi, naglalaki ang mga braso sa aking umibig. Alam na may tubig ang sinisisi sa matagal ng paghinga sa akin kayo ay bibili. Sino bias mo sa G22? Si Jao. G22 Jao. Sobrang labo na mata ko, hindi ko makita. May upcoming events po ba kayo? Yes! Check out G22 Official, guys. May mga out of town. Ay! Announce na ba? Yes, may mga announce na may mga out of town guests kami. Tubig ang sinisisid ang mga praso. Ilocos Bullets. Meron din kaming Manggahan Festival. Alam mo, extend ko na to hanggang 10. And then, I will do my work. Tumawag si Mommy. makeup brand? Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. What's your hobby? Golf. Playing golf. Favorite song mo sa Beanie? Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Yun, tsaka ano? Na 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 na, nahuhulog na ako, di na 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 na, tawad sana, na 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 na. No, we would, guys. Reality show kami? Nah. Nah. Everything I need. No. Gagawa na lang kami ng madaming target unlock. But variety show? Nah. Nah, guys. I swear. No. Kung may P-pop edition ng PBB, kaya ko naman, siguro kaya ko. Kaya ko naman. Pero kasi 5 minutes yung ligo. Naliligo ako halos 30 minutes. Paano yun? If ever man, papasok ko PBB, magpapagupit ako ng buhok. Para mabilis yung ligo. Before it winds down. Gawaing bahay. Oo naman. Kaya ko naman. Guys, I'm marunong akong lumugar at makisama at makibagay. I will learn. Kung di man ako marunong gawaing bahay, matututo ako. Marunong magsaing. Of course! What do you take me for? Wow, do you take me for? Nanood ka ba PBB? Yes. Pero paparod ko siya, not talaga yung mismong PBB. Mapaparod ko lang siya through TikTok. Pero not really like the actual PBB na sa TV. Di pa ako makain, no? Pasok kaya ako PBB? Oh, papasok ako PBB, guys. Mamumuksa ako. Mamumuksa? Anong gagawin ko? Awayin ko lahat. Feeling ko hindi ako feeling ko I'm very buzzable. Gaganon. Madami akong buzzable things. I feel like, Kuya, I'm so sorry, pero let me kick myself out. Kuya, I will sashay away myself. Kuya, hindi ko na kaya dito. Kuya, hindi ko po talaga kaya. Una po sa lahat, 5 minutes lang po yung ligo. Kuya, 5 minutes po. Yung 5 minutes na yun, Kuya. Pinapakiramdaman ko pa yung tubig eh. Paano ako maliligo, kuya? Ha? Sorry. Sorry talaga, kuya. 5 minutes pa lang, kuya. Tinetesting ko pa yung tubig kasi sa umaga malamig. Pero kuya, alam ko meron kayong heater. Pero kuya, ang hirap magtimpla. Kuya, ang hirap timplahin yung tubig nyo. Tapos 5 minutes lang. Ano to? Kuya, 10 points para ang tagal maligo. Diba? Ganun ako, guys. Ipapasukin ako sa sa PBB. Ito pa. Kuya! Ang hirap mag-OOTD. Tsaka kuya, bored na po ako. Kuya, binibigyan ko po ng 10 points yung sarili ko. Kasi, hindi niya na po kaya eh. Opo, oo. So, kuya, magaling po siya sa tasks. Yes, ibibigay ko po sa kanya yung tasks. Pero kuya, mas task ko po yung pagligo kaysa sa mga tasks na binibigay niyo po. Ayun. Kuya, I sashay away myself. Kaya hindi ako pwede mag-PBB, guys. Kasi, baka puksain ko yung sarili ko. It's a no. It's a no. Kaya ko naman. I feel like kaya ko. Kaya ko talaga. Kaya ko yan. Kaya ko yun. Feeling ko drag race na lang. Tsaka kuya. Ano ba mga kinakain nila dun? Ayan, kuya, I sashay away myself because, kuya, magkaka-kidney stone na po ako sa lahat ng chichirya na kinakain namin dito. Kuya, ang alat po. Tsaka kuya, antok na antok po ako sa hapon. Yung siesta tayo. Kanina pa ako na hindi pa siya nagsha-shampoo. Clingy yung mga housemates. Oh no! I'm clingy only to chosen people. Kuya, tama ka na, AJ. Hindi, bahay ko to, kuya. Kayo mag-adjust sa akin. Eme. Ayun, deadline ko nga. Bala na.
Singing, yeah, I shot my baby down that day. Singing, yeah, That nigga too, he stole my place.
Magaling ka ba kapag may task? I feel like I would do great sa task. Kasi guys, competitive akong tao. And whenever I need to focus, I really focus. I feel like I'm gonna do well sa tasks. Plot twist, nanonood si kuya ngayon. Sige kuya, papasukin mo ako. Sorry kung napakan yung pagiging kuya ko. Pero feeling ko talaga, ako yung tipo ng, alam mo yung, responsibly, mindfully, parang in a way, I would be palasagot in a way. I don't know. Hindi naman palasagot. Parang if something is not right sa aking, or pasok sa aking, paano ba i-explain? Kung pag hindi pasok siya sa moral compass ko, hindi ko magsasalita ako. I'm opinionated kasi ang tao eh, na medyo pinag-iisipan. Yeah, I really voice out. Lalo na pag uncomfortable ako sa way of thinking. Pero syempre, I also understand where a person is coming from. So, in a way. At saka, di ako pwede guys sa PBB yung taas ng walls ko eh. I rarely put my walls down sa mga tao. Kaya I have very few friends. Kasi, I was hurt multiple times. So, yung walls ko talagang, you really have to climb that up. Can't break that. Ano kaya magiging reasons nila if they nominate you? I feel like bida-bida or bida-bida. Pero in my defense, lang ako, competitive or prangka siguro. Prangka in a way na hindi rude. Or siguro din bossy. No, I will never be a bully. That's a big no for me. No. No. I know what it feels like to be bullied. So that's a big no for me. Yeah, strong kasi yung personality ko. I'm often misunderstood. As in, I'm often misunderstood. I'm often, minsan, ang tawag dito? Nami-misconstrued yung mga bagay. Wala lang. Nanonood si Cornerstone Official. Bakit? Tsaka may RBF ako, literal. Sinasabi din ng mga girls yun. Tapos yung mata ko, feel ko kasi yung mata ko eh.
You don't love me anymore.
napagkamalan din akong masungit talaga. I get that a lot. Masungit. Tapos medyo hindi... Kaya I try my best to really like smile, to really maging kasi sobrang RB. Golfer era. Yes. Guys, pag nag-compete ako, punta kayo sa mga women in fight. Kalawan talaga. Soon. When G22 Lightstick. Album muna! Album muna! When po mapapansin? Depends. Mine po. All yours, love. Wow! I hope you're doing just fine. I am. Thank you so much. May nasabi ba akong hindi dapat? Sabi ni Alfea, malakas ka raw manapak. Ha? Saan galing yun? Sabi niya? Sabi niya talaga? Sabi niya talaga? Sabi ni Fea yun? Si bakla nga nananapok na walang dahilan Alam niyo ba si Alfea, guys? Oh my God, may kwento ako. May kwento ako. Well, mas strong kasi yung arms ko Siguro I feel like dun. May kwento ako kay Alfea. Oh my God, si bakla. So I'm just chilling. I'm just sitting down. I'm just, chilling. Literally just chilling. I'm just freaking sitting down. I'm just chilling. And then this girl just punched me out of nowhere. Like, kaganyan ako. Si bakla, boom. Napagano na lang ako. Teko? Hindi niya rin alam bakit niya ako sinuntok. Oh my God, guys. Bakla talaga si Fea. Ito naman si Jasmine. Isa pa to, si ate ko. I'm just literally just chilling, sitting down, thinking about my life choices. She will either pull my hair or freaking kurot na mangungurot si bakla. Mahilig din manghampas yun si Jasmine. Kaloka. Guys, cute na cute ata sila sa akin. Like, I can understand why. Parang I feel for them. Like, masyado siguro akong cute. Like, nagigiga sila sa akin. Yung parang, yung tipo bang, cute mo AJ, kaya kita sinuntok. Hashtag free AJ. Feeling ko talaga dahil in your reason. I think, I understand. Girls, if ever man, this is my message from me to you, from yours truly. Girls, alam ko namang cute na cute kayo sa akin. Tanggap ko yun. Tanggap ko kayo. Pero, minsan masakit na minsan masakit na talaga. Kung kayo sa joke lang. Kalo kayong dalawa. Ganun kami, guys. Bawian lang. Oo, gantihan lang. May deadline ako! Fandom name, Bullets! Love you po, ate ko. I love you too. Love language nila yun. Oo nga, love language nila manakit
If you ever start by all the rain and all the thunder follows around. Better cut the close. Most of the time, everything's fine.
Sana makapasa ako sa entrance exam. Papasa ka. Papasa ka.
If you had no face, you better cut that close. When all you cowards
Guys, promise, 10 o'clock, I'm gonna end this na. I really have to finish what I have to do. Anong strand mo nung senior high school? Arts and design student ako. And then, when I graduated, they used the song that my friends and I composed for our graduation song. And yeah. You guys can check it out. It's on Spotify. Buhang Liwayway. My friends and I wrote that song. And then... Hi, Leo! Thank you! Love you! See you very soon!
leave it be. Oh, yeah.
Ilonggo ka nga. Lao ka balo, maghambal. Yung pagkatawanan ako ng mama ko, pag nag-iilongga ako. Kabalo ko maghambal, gamay lang. Riz ka muna. What? No. You know the thing about me? I have no riz at all. Like, I can't. I just don't know how. Like, I just can't. Wala talaga. Wala talaga akong bahid ng ganun. And nag-aaral ako. Pag ako nag-aral, mag-riz. Titingala kayo lahat. Ay, may nagyayaya si bakla. Nagyayaya naman magkain naman si bakla. Valorant. Ay, pag may time, mag-Valorant talaga ako. Wait lang. Sino yung nasa likod mo? Boyfriend ko yan! Guys, si boyfriend ko. Di ko ba ata napapakilala sa inyo? Guys, boyfriend ko. Si Gio. Gio, hi ka nga. Kamaya. Gio, Gio ka na mahiya. Sila lang yan, oh. Ano ka ba? Pinagmamalaki nga kita. Ano sinasabi niyo? Wala akong boyfriend. Ano sinasabi niyo? Ano sinasabi niyo? Anong sinasabi niyo? Guys, si Gio yan. Boyfriend ko. Magto 2 years na nga kami eh. Magto 2 years na kami. Guys, si Gio. And counting na kami, guys. Gio, huli ka nga dito. Nahiya ka naman kasi. G. nagdaan. Gio. Pag talaga ako sa inyo. Alam mo, gutom lang to eh. Pinagayaya kumain eh. Selfie. Wait lang. Gio guys, si Gio. Jowa ko. Ba't tayo niyong maniwala? Ba't tayo niyong maniwala? Makalat. OA! OA, sobrang OA. Guys, alam nyo, di ako takot sa multo. O, 9:59 na. Wait lang. Box and call na box. Bye guys. Thank you for joining my live. It's really nice catching up with you. Abangan nyo mga susunod naming ganap. Please, thank you po sa pag-support nyo sa amin online and on ground. Maraming salamat po. Gio, mag-bye ka na, Gio. Ayaw mo? Sige, ako na lang. So, maraming salamat, guys. Good night. Sleep well. You guys did great today. And thank you so much. I love you all. New song coming soon. And more songs coming very soon. Let's all just be patient and let's let go and let God. Thank you guys so much. Ayaw mo talaga, Gio. Sige. Bye, guys. Love you all. Hi. Wait lang, may natawa ako. Sabi niya, patient is the key. Wala po kaming sakit. Baka po patience. Bye, guys.